Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check serial number for your headphones Soundcore Q20i. So basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a box, turn over it, and right here at the back side we have SN, what means serial number, so we can check it right here. Or we can check it at the headphones. So right here at the left ear cup we have, did you see it? Right here we have these letters and numbers. This is a serial number. Yes, there is no SN or serial number, but this is it. Now the last option is to use an application. Open it, go to settings at the right top, and right here we have a serial number and you can copy it by click right here. And you can see I'm copying it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.